Well, I hope you like memes because I've got a couple of memes for you. And also, this is a really simple game you can play during your next meeting. And it's like a little energizing, ice-breaking, something fun little game to break the pattern and to keep people kind of sharp. And this one's called It's All About Me, Me, Me. Hello there, you beautiful people. My name is Yuri. This is the Magic Sauce. We help you create, build, and share better ideas. I've got an idea for you. I kind of just came up with this yesterday or today. And this one is super simple. You want to ask the people who are joining your, let's say, meeting or workshop, you ask them to prepare their favorite meme. By the way, for the people in the comment section, is it meme or is it meme? Because I always say it's meme, but somebody said the other day, it's not, that's wrong. Like I've been wrong for the last. Anyway, let me know in the comments below, is it meme or is it meme? So you've asked everybody to bring their favorite meme and then you put them up somewhere. If you're in a physical space, maybe they can send them to you. If you're running the session, you can print them out and put them somewhere on the wall, maybe on the slides, or in this case, I'm just going to be using a whiteboard. Everybody kind of uploads their meme over here. Maybe you cover them first or something, you reveal them later on, because you could do a couple of things with this one. But these are some of the ones which I selected. It's one of my popular ones. It's the Dos Keys beer guy. They had this campaigns like the most interesting guy ever.
Stay thirsty, my friend.
Or how about this one then? Can't get fired if you don't have a job. I told this to somebody the other day that I actually have not had a job for probably coming on about 15 years now. Clever, so clever. Or even this one, which I found today. Okay, but how does our daughter look like Woody Harrelson? Or Harrelson, as they have. It does look ridiculously a lot like Woody Harrelson. Anyway, so you have all these memes up here on the board, or maybe even in the physical space. So you do a couple of things with them. You could, for instance, just do a little show and tell. Go around the room if the group is not too big and everybody kind of just shows he's mine, he's mine, etc. Or you can even do it in kind of in stages. So kind of during each break or during each something, somebody will share their favorite meme. It's like a little break in between. But why stop there? You can do something a lot more fun. For instance, everybody puts up their memes. Everybody has to guess whose meme it is. So could you see from these ones which is the one that I picked? By the way, if you stick around to the end of the video, let's go through some of the other memes I've got up here and I'll tell you kind of why I picked them and why I think they're funny. Or even a third one, like once they're up there all together, maybe you could vote which ones you found the funniest. So it's as simple as that. Bring a couple of memes to the table. At least people can have a bit of a laugh. Some might be funny, some might not be funny. And by the way, if you enjoy these videos, as always, you could leave me a like. You know, I'm insecure as it is. If you leave me a like, it's just give us a like. Why not? It's free. So I'm pretty sure you can come up with a couple of ways how you can use these things. But again, it's just really easy and you could even do it on the spot. Let's say that you haven't prepared anything. Tell people during your next break, come back with a meme and then we'll discuss them. Turn it into a little fun activity, right? Make up something. You're the creative genius. So let's go through some of mine ones over there. I already showed you. I did like Woody Harrelson, that one. The face before you sneeze, I feel it. My face does the same. I don't even want to know what I look like. I think it will be, yes, I don't think that should ever come out. So yeah, how about this one then? Why can I not do that? Here we go. Help you kids fight climate change. No phones, no iPads, no TV, no Xbox, no computers, no new clothes, no new shoes, no bags, no makeup. Yes, I do find it quite ironic. Particularly younger generation go out on the streets protesting against kind of climate change or against this and this, these big topics, and then being a complete hypocrite themselves. Shame on you. Let me move myself to the other side. What else do we have over here? Shut the falafel up. I'm not taking the gay stairs. By the way, we have them here in the city as well. We've got a couple of stairs here. There's a beautiful little bench with the rainbow colors and silhouettes of different people. And it basically says everybody's welcome here, which I'm all for. Hey, but if you don't feel comfortable, if you think it makes you gay, if you stand on these steps, then yeah, then go the hard way. Go up the big boy steps over there. I find this one particularly funny because I know people who actually don't know what that is. Day 78, still no tomatoes. Being Dutch, I know what that is. And before you judge me, no.
It looks like a toothpick, man.
No, it's not a toothpick, man.
No, hey, it is a toothpick, man.
This one, remember her? Well, this is her now. Do you feel old yet? I think this is based on a meme where you show whatever, some childhood actor that you used to really like. And you kind of see them now. You go like, do you remember? Do you feel old now? And the whole thing's about like, oh my God, they really aged. Except for her, she's like 197,000 years old. Storing all your clothes in an object that was specifically created for that exact purpose. Guilty as charged. In this house, we have a couple of chairs. Yeah, a lot of our clothes will be on the chair. It's kind of the easiest place to put it. That's what they originally were designed for until somebody started sitting on it and invented sitting. And my last one over here, March, blink, September. This year has flown by fast. I hope you've enjoyed this year. If you want to know more, here's a couple more videos about these little games, but make them up. Like, get creative. Simple things. Memes. Leave me a comment. Memes or Mimi? You tell me which one it is. Bye.